Hi, it's Rachel with Compass up here in Big Bear. I almost got hit by a pine cone. Today, I'm going to show you my new listing over at 110 Pine View in Big Bear City. So super cute, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 800 and about 81 square foot. Just hit the market for $350. So let's go inside. All right, so here we are over at 110 Pine View, kind of tucked behind the pine tree. But here we are street view. So you've got parking down below for about 4, maybe more cars. The lot is about right in here. So house, lot, fence line. And then on this side, we're looking at about the same space where these railroad ties are, kind of right up in the middle of these two houses right here. So this house next door, it was on the market. It is an escrow, $350, same price on this one. So one thing to note is you do have Big Bear Boulevard right here. So you're going to have the convention center maybe about a half mile, maybe less that way. We are at the corner of Sherwood and Pine View right here. And let's start heading inside. So we've got more of like a dirt and rock driveway right here with some railroad ties defining it. And one thing that I love about this house, not only do they have the pine tree that smells like vanilla, they also have this very cool little waterway right here. And this nice hardy deck that, I guess it's more of a bridge, but a great little area to play in. Maybe catch some trout. Just kidding. Just kidding. There's probably no trout down here. And then we're gonna go up. So this down here is going to be a build-up area that's got laundry, but we will take a look at that here shortly once we go and take a look at the outside of it. So the owners have done quite a bit of extensive work to the home prior to getting it on the market. Paint, which is my number one thing. If everybody could just do a quick coat of paint, it does a house wonders. So you're just kind of up here amongst all the treetops. Take a minute to kind of pan around while I'm up here. Deck is in really good shape. Very hardy deck. Not sure about hot tub, but having somebody look at it to make sure that a hot tub would be up here would be a great thing. Probably in this corner right here. If not, I do have other ideas on a good spot for it. So this home has been a long-term rental for several years, and renters just moved out. Has been a very successful long-term rental too. So kind of like this area right here, I would deem more of like a dining room area, little dining room nook right here. We do have dual pane windows here and shades, little hummingbird feeder. I'm gonna pan kind of this way, but just look at all those beautiful beam ceilings all around here. No cheap paneling, like it is all nice tongue and groove cedar paneling. And then you got these big headers going all the way through the length of the house too. So dining room's kind of somewhere around where I'm standing at right now, and then possibly like a wraparound couch over here. Looks like a TV maybe in that corner. You could also plumb it to be up above the fireplace too. This would be a great little area right here for a little desk, for an office. If you were to rent this out, that'd definitely be one thing I would add. A lot of people are working remote these days and looking for a little office space on Airbnb. So here we have the brick fireplace. I have seen a lot of brick fireplaces in my life, and I just love the character that comes with this one. Simmons. And then check out this guy. Have you ever seen a pine cone that big? I mean, that's bigger, almost bigger than my hand. Got a nice TV spot. Let me pan around from here. Very big living space area. And of course, check out that chandelier too. Really pretty fan. We do have a wall heater in this one, which is likely going to be enough to keep the place heated. We do have new quartz countertops, brand spanking new. No renter has ever used them before. And you do have this overhang that will give you dining space for a couple more people, or just like a nice little breakfast bar area. So here we've got the spot for the fridge. Nice cabinetry. New sink. Lots of good storage too. I mean, you could definitely live here. Could also be a second home. And then more importantly, it would make for a great rental. So here we have the one full bathroom in the home. Still vaulted ceilings in the bathroom. And then the white tile. Just super clean tub. And we do have a big closet in the bathroom. And then, I mean, these are nice doors too, like not cheap, very thick, very beautiful. And then we're gonna go into bedroom number 1, same doors. And you've got the closet right here. And then here's the bedroom from the corner. Probably you could put the bed right there, right here. If the bed was right here, I'm not sure about the feng shui-ness, but you might want to put another light right there. But my idea was this, is that if you want to have a hot tub here, it'd be nice to turn this into a sliding glass door and then have just a little deck out back so that you could access it that way. And if I'm brave enough in these shoes, I am going to hike up that back hillside with you. But then here is bedroom number 2. And same thing, you could put the bed here, or on this wall right here. But we've also got walk-in closet here. So this one's more of like the master, because you can kind of walk in that closet. I mean, and they did not skimp. They've got nice ceiling paneling on the inside of the closet. And then, of course, the mirrored closet doors. And the nice doors here too. So this is a nice little secret spot I'm gonna take you up to. This, you would not be able to rent it out to renters, but it is a great spot if you are using this for your own family, long-term rental. I mean, that is a big finished space. Just put a bed, a mattress up here, crawl in. Of course, you could use it for storage too if you wanted to also, but it's really deep, probably a good like 12 to 15 feet deep. But again, we all know how my measurements are. They're not perfect. It could actually be bigger than what I just said. Okay. So now we are going to go outside to go see the build-up area. Here we go down. They do have a gate that goes right here too, just for kids or animals, pets, anything you want to keep up top there. And keep in mind, these two things are the same price, and this one is completely original inside and has, you can see a lot of wear and tear, needs new paint job. So very good deal on this one. So here they had a new slurry of paint down here, so it's super clean. But it kind of is like a useful, not a garage, but could be a garage. All your extra paints up here. And what did I want to say? You could definitely get motorcycles in here as long as the handles fit through the door. Kayaks, bikes, just any kind of tools that you acquire while you're up in Big Bear. Laundry, you do have laundry down here. And we have tried to figure out why there are stairs in here, but we just don't know. So if you want to take a guess as to what these things are and how they came about, let me know in the comments. And then we also have the build-up area right here. So all your plumbing, it is, what do you call that? Insulated too. And then we have our hot water tank down here as well. So all looks good down here. Woo. All right, and then next, let's go up around the back. Yeah, I can do this. So this is not live, not active, I mean. So see, we are built up on a concrete raw all along the side and the back. So we are up away from the dirt, which is what you want to do because that's how you find the termites. Termites are going to come from the ground up. And then there you have the other side as well. So there you have it. 110 Pine View. Just 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 881 square foot, 349,000 just hit the market. Another thing that I would say is that you should easily expect to be making around like 30 to 40,000 a year on it if you were to short-term rent it. So that would be a very good income to help cover the cost of it. But there you have it, 110 Pineview. Come up to Big Bear and take a look. Let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye.